Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this is an interesting look. I don't know. I did this look ages ago going into work one day and I just loved it and I took a picture of it and I was like, I'm gonna redo that and I want to do a tutorial on this because I feel like so awesome. I feel like comic book character with this. I don't know if it's because of the graphic lines or whatever it is, but I feel like I could kick some ass with this. Yeah. I can't kick ass, but whatever. I love like the contrast of the yellow and the black. Gives me like Batman vibes, like old school Batman vibes. And it's just, yeah, I got a little bit of glitter, got dots. It just kept going and going and going. And then the black lip, just because, you know, really natural. That's what we were going for. So black lip, yeah. So if you want to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's start off our look like normal with our primer for our eyes. This is a Too Faced Shadow Insurance and we are just going to pop this along the lower lash line and all over the lid, all the way up to the brow. And then I'm going in with Makeup Geek's eyeshadow in Creme Brulee. This is just a very soft, warmer brown and I'm just popping this in the socket of my eye with a duo fiber blending brush. Just really softly. I don't want this to be any part of the look really. It's just to give my socket a little bit of definition for the look. And then to create the shape that we're going to start off with, I'm taking NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. And we're going to draw the shape of our eyelid, so the moving part of the lid, all the way up to where the eye starts to sink in. Drawing the whole way across the lid. Just make sure it's nice and opaque. This is going to be our base for the yellow that we pop on and just to keep the shape that we want to go for. And then I'm slightly bringing this out to a wing shape on the outer corner. I'm using a combination of a small flat brush and my finger just to help smooth that over. I'm using the flat brush when it comes to the edges and then I'm going in with my finger for the actual bigger parts of the lid just to be quicker and smooth it all over. And the same on the outer corner as well. For the yellow we're going in with Inglot Eyeshadow in 474, which is a bright yellow, and on a flat brush I'm just packing that over the entire lid all the way over that white base. So wherever you've popped the white base, you're going to pop that yellow shade. Just making sure that you're pressing it on so it's super opaque and going all the way up to where the white ends. Make sure you bring it right out to where the wing shape is, so you're basically covering the entirety of the white. The eyeshadow's kind of done almost. I'm going in with the Collection Cosmetics concealer, I think it is. If not, I have it linked down, or I have it written down below in the description box, just to conceal my under eyes. And then for my inner corner highlighter, I'm actually going to use my face highlighter. This is like it's like a highlighter and a setting powder underneath as well, but it's like a white gold, so it kind of has a yellow undertone. So I thought it would go really well with the look, and I'm popping that on the inner corner. Next, for the technical part, we're going in with the MAC Brushstroke liner because I find it's the easiest and most fluid liner to use for graphic liner. Obviously, if you want it to be waterproof, this is not waterproof, so you'd want to go in with something that's a little bit more sturdy. We're just starting off with to line the lash line, just basic liner, nothing too crazy. And then going right to the very edge of that winged out shape of the yellow, we're going to start with our wing shape. So we wanted to encapsulate the yellow. And then we're pulling that line back in to create our wing. It's probably the most detailed liner I've ever done on camera. I shall do a video on it eventually. So for the really technical part, we're going to go and start sketching the edge of the yellow. Going in very lightly at first, you can always thicken up the lines if you need to, and we're just really slowly, really short strokes. Be very slow with it if you need to be. We're just going along the whole way across all of that yellow, making sure it meets that point where the wing is on the lash line. Bringing it out into a little sweep of a point. And connecting. And here I know my little mirror is in the way, but I am just thickening up the line, so making sure on the inner part of my crease it's a little bit thinner. It should get thicker in the middle and slightly thinner when it gets to the very outer point.
finishing off the eyes with some upper lash mascara. You could very well stop here, it's already quite dramatic to be honest. And I didn't pop anything on my lower lash line because I wanted that all the focus to be on the top. Onto the skin, we're going in with Laritzy Shade Stick in Aloha, which is a contour slash bronzer stick, kind of bronzer on me, and just popping that into the hollows of my cheeks for some contour. And then with a Real Technique setting brush, I'm just buffing that into the hollows of my cheeks just to soften that out. For blush, I'm taking Sleek's Blush by 3 in Pink Lemonade, and we're taking the center shade, which is a cream, hence why I'm using my fingers to apply it. This is the shade Macaroon. It's a very soft pink, quite a natural flush on me, and I'm just tapping that onto my cheeks. Going back in with that inner corner highlight that we use, it's actually a face highlighter, so I just decided to use it as my inner corner highlighter. With a small little brush, I'm just popping that on the high points of my cheeks, and this, like I said, has a white gold slash yellowy sort of tone to it, so it goes really well with the look. Now to spice things up a little bit, we're going to add some glitter, so I went in with the Too Faced Glitter Insurance with a small little lip brush, and just tapping that just underneath where the wing is, making it a little bit thicker towards the eye and thinner as it goes out. For the glitter, we're going in with MAC's Iridescent White, which is a white that reflects like orange and blue and green and all these different colours. And again, thicker closer to the eye and thinner as it gets to the outer wing. And then just because I couldn't help myself and I just couldn't stop drawing on my face, I decided to add 3 little dots, starting from biggest closest to the wing and smallest as it fades outwards, just at the end of that point. I popped on these lashes here. I'm not sure where they're from, but they went so well with this look. You probably find something similar to them online. So we could do a nude, but not on this channel. We're going to do a black lip, and this is an Inglot eyeliner in a black. It's number 20. And I'm just lining my lips and filling it all in. And then to top it all off, we're going in with NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Kiev.
Alrighty guys, so this is your finished look. I hope you all enjoyed. This is an interesting one. Like I said before, it is interesting and it's something that is definitely a statement. But I'm going into work and I'm wearing this again. So I always just feel like, I don't know, I like when people stare when I've got dramatic makeup on, whether it's good or bad or whatever. I don't care because I'm evoking reaction out of them and I quite like that. I get it. Like a sense of yes, yes, you know, out of it. Whether it is good or bad, I don't really care. Because at least they'll remember my makeup. But I love this kind of look. I love it. I just feel, I feel like I'm in a Batman comic. I feel like a Batman villain. Yeah, that's exactly what I feel like right now. Yeah, so if you did like this look, then give me a big thumbs up below. And hit subscribe down below to see more tutorials. Not all like this, but yeah, I do have a few bright and crazy looks if you do like those sort of looks. They will be coming up soon. And also leave me a comment down below. Let me know, what will I get you to let me know? Let me know what your favourite comic book character is. No, comic book villain is. Because I'm more on the villain side. Let me know what your favourite comic book villain is and I'll see you in the next video guys. Bye!